Most people think protein powder is the answer to muscle loss. They're wrong. The supplement industry has built a billion-dollar business convincing older adults they need processed powders to maintain their strength. But there's a simpler approach that works better. Real food. Not just any real food, but specific whole foods that stop muscle breakdown faster and more effectively than anything that comes in a tub. The difference isn't small. Some of these foods start working within 30 minutes of eating them, and they cost a fraction of what people spend on supplements. The problem with protein powder is that it's processed. Companies take food, strip out most of the compounds your body needs, add synthetic vitamins, and package it up. What you end up with is protein in isolation, missing all the natural helpers that make it work. Your body wasn't designed to run on factory-made powders. It evolved to extract nutrients from whole foods, where everything works together. Scientists call this food synergy, the way nutrients in real food interact in ways no supplement can replicate. The proteins in powders have been damaged by high heat processing. They're harder to digest and less effective. And they often cause bloating and stomach upset, especially in older adults. Real food does the opposite. It releases nutrients gradually, protecting your muscles all day long. It comes with the vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that turn protein into actual muscle. One of these foods, a creamy cheese most people ignore, has more natural way than any powder, starts reversing muscle loss within 30 minutes, and costs under $2. Want to know what it is? Keep watching. 1. Whole eggs. Science is finally clear on eggs. Eating whole eggs with the yolk builds about 40% more muscle than eating the same amount of protein from whites alone. The yolk contains compounds that boost muscle protein synthesis in ways researchers are only beginning to understand. Eggs have the highest quality protein score of any whole food, with a biological value of 100. Your body can use nearly all of it for muscle growth. The yolk provides vitamin D for muscle function, choline for nerve-muscle communication, and vitamin A for protein building. Eggs also contain leucinuric protein clusters that signal muscle growth more effectively than isolated leucine in supplements. The natural package works better than processed versions. Here's something useful. Eating eggs with vegetables boosts vitamin absorption from those vegetables by up to 7 times. A vegetable omelet isn't just tasty, it's a muscle-protecting powerhouse. The cholesterol concern has been resolved. Dietary cholesterol is beneficial for most people, especially older adults. It helps the body make hormones like testosterone, which decline with age and are important for maintaining muscle. 2. Watermelon. Watermelon is the richest natural source of citrulline, an amino acid your body converts to arginine, which produces nitric oxide. Nitric oxide opens blood vessels, sending more oxygen and nutrients to muscles while clearing away waste that causes soreness. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that athletes who drank watermelon juice saw reduced muscle soreness for up to 24 hours. Watermelon also provides more potassium per wedge than a banana. Potassium keeps muscles working properly and prevents cramps. The lycopene in watermelon, present in higher amounts than in tomatoes, shields muscle cells from damage that accelerates muscle loss. Even watermelon's natural sugars help. After any activity, muscles need to refill their energy stores. The fruit sugars do this perfectly while citrulline aids recovery. The timing matters. Eating watermelon an hour before activity boosts performance. After activity, it helps muscles recover faster. Some people juice the white rind, which contains even more citrulline. 3. Ricotta cheese. The most powerful food for protecting muscle is one almost nobody talks about: ricotta cheese. Ricotta has the highest natural concentration of whey protein of any whole food. But unlike processed whey, ricotta's protein is in its natural state, surrounded by fats and minerals that help your body use it. Once you eat it, the whey gets into your bloodstream quickly and signals your muscles to stop breaking down. What makes ricotta special is its leucine content, about 3 grams per cup. Leucine acts like a master switch for muscle building. The moment blood levels rise, muscles get the signal to stop breaking down and start building. Ricotta also contains albumin, the same protein found in egg whites but in a gentler form. Albumin has the highest biological efficiency of any protein, meaning your body can use nearly all of it for muscle growth. The calcium in ricotta is in a special form, calcium lactate, that absorbs more quickly than supplements. This matters for more than just bones. Muscles need calcium to contract properly. Without enough, they can't function no matter how much protein you eat. And ricotta is soft and easy to eat. For anyone with dental issues or trouble swallowing, it's ideal. It won't cause the bloating that powders do. You can eat it with honey and berries, spread it on toast, or use it in soups. 4. Canned salmon. Canned salmon, especially wild-caught pink or sockeye, is one of the most complete muscle-protecting foods available. A small can delivers about 25 grams of complete protein. But that's just the start. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, that make muscles more sensitive to protein. You can build more muscle from the same amount of protein when you're getting enough omega-3s. Research shows older adults who eat omega-3 rich fish regularly lose less muscle and maintain better strength. Omega-3s fight inflammation, creating a healthier environment for muscle growth. Canned salmon has a hidden advantage: the soft, edible bones. They're packed with calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D in the natural D3 form. Vitamin D helps muscles work properly. Salmon also contains astaxanthin, the antioxidant that gives it its pink color. Astaxanthin specifically protects muscle tissue from stress and damage, even from daily activities. The convenience can't be overlooked. Canned salmon needs no cooking, lasts years in the pantry, and costs around $3 per can. That's cheaper than protein powder and easier to digest, since the canning process softens both the protein and bones. 5. Kefir. Kefir is a tangy fermented milk drink that works while you sleep. It has more probiotics than any other dairy product, up to 60 different kinds of bacteria and yeasts. These don't just aid digestion. They support muscle health through what scientists call the gut-muscle connection. A healthy gut makes compounds that reduce inflammation and help the body use protein efficiently. Fermentation partially breaks down kefir's protein, making it easier to absorb, especially for older adults with weaker digestion. This means better protein use without the bloating or upset that powders cause. What makes kefir special is its casein content. Casein forms a gel in the stomach and releases amino acids slowly for up to 7 hours. Drinking kefir before bed feeds muscles all night, preventing the breakdown that normally happens during sleep. Kefir provides peptides that lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity, all protecting muscle health. Fermentation creates vitamin K2 in just the MK7 form, which directs calcium to muscles and bones instead of arteries. 6. Sardines in olive oil. Sardines packed in olive oil may be the most powerful option of all. One small can provides about 23 grams of high-quality protein with all essential amino acids. Sardines are one of the best sources of vitamin D, up to 70% of daily needs in a single serving. Low vitamin D directly correlates with muscle weakness and faster muscle loss in older adults. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids in their most natural, ready-to-use form. These fats fight inflammation and make muscle cells more sensitive to growth signals. Every gram of protein works harder when paired with omega-3s from sardines. Being packed in olive oil adds another layer of benefit. The healthy fats help absorb fat-soluble vitamins while calming inflammation. Together, the fish oil and olive oil create powerful synergy for muscle protection. Sardines are among the richest sources of CoQ10, a nutrient muscle cells use to make energy. CoQ10 levels drop with age, leading to fatigue, but sardines restore it in a highly absorbable form. The soft bones inside are a natural source of calcium and phosphorus, minerals that work together for strong muscle contractions. Unlike calcium pills, the calcium from sardine bones is easy on the stomach. 7. Black beans. Black beans challenge assumptions about plant proteins. A cup of cooked black beans gives 18 grams of protein, but their real strength comes from resistant starch. This fiber feeds good gut bacteria, which make butyrate, a compound proven to protect muscle and improve strength. Black beans create what scientists call the second meal effect. Eating them helps muscles use protein better, not only from that meal, but from the next one too. They prime the body to extract more benefit from every bite. They're rich in folate, providing more than half the daily requirement in one cup. Folate is vital for making new cells, including muscle cells, yet many older adults don't get enough. Black beans are also an excellent source of magnesium, which supports hundreds of muscle processes. Without it, muscles can't use protein effectively. Black beans contain anthocyanins, the same antioxidants found in blueberries, which protect muscles from damage and reduce age-related muscle loss. The fiber keeps blood sugar steady, preventing spikes and crashes that create a breakdown environment in muscles. Real food beats processed powder because it provides protein plus all the natural compounds that make protein work. The whey in ricotta comes with fats and minerals. The protein in salmon comes with omega-3s and vitamin D. The protein in eggs comes with choline and vitamin A. You can spend money on processed powders, drinking chalky shakes, and dealing with stomach issues while wondering why muscles keep getting weaker. Or you can eat these whole foods that stop muscle loss while making meals enjoyable. Every meal is a chance to protect muscles and build strength. Your body knows exactly how to use real food. Have you heard that these foods are great for reversing muscle loss? Which one from our list are you planning to try? Leave your comment below. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next videos. And before you go, take a moment to check out these 2 recommended videos. We think you'll really enjoy them. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day and keep healthy, my friends. Bye!